If I was versus if I were. Since the usage of these terms is often unclear, we decided to take a closer look. The phrase if I was is used for things that could have happened in the past or now. For example, if I was rude, I apologize. The speaker thinks he or she might have said something rude and feels sorry for it. If I were, however, is used when we speak about imaginary situations or things that are contrary to fact, such as here. If I were a dog, I would sleep all day. There is no way we could actually become a dog, which is why we need to use were instead of was in this case. So remember, use if I was for things that could have happened in the past or could happen now, and if I were for things that are imaginary or impossible. That's it for today. See you next time.